So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 3 of chapter number 8 decimals. In this session we are going to complete NCERT exercise 8.2 and we'll start comparing decimals also, and we'll complete exercise 8.3 also. So let us start with the first question of exercise 8.2. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use the decimals to write the number. See, first here, how many tens we have in A? 1 2. So there is no ones. अगर फुल भरा होगा तभी वो वंस में काउंट होगा, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे एक भी नहीं है फर्स्ट ए बिट में. एंड टेंस आर 2. एंड हाउ मेनी हंड्रेड्स आर देयर? This you have to count for hundreds because this is not completely full. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 600s are there. And how we will write the number? 0.226, right? Now the next question, B bit, 1 full is there. So 1 says 1, and 10th we have to count the full. 1 2 3. Now this is not full, so we will count it for hundreds, right? So how many tens we have?
3.
Right. So we have tens 3 and hundreds we have 8. So the number will become 1.38.
1.38.
Right.
1.38.
Now coming to the C bit, 1 full is there, so 1 says 1. Now for 10th we have to count, yes, 2 full rows are there, so 2 tenths, and this is not full, this row, so we will count it for hundreds. 8.
800.
Right, so
1.28.
right, 1.28. So first question we have completed. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in the decimal form. So this is very easy. See, in first bit there is no hundreds and tens. यहाँ पे th नहीं है, ठीक है? Only ones is 3, so 3.250. हाँ, अगर ये 0 छोड़ भी दोगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है? So we can write 3.25 also, right? So 3 ones and 2 tens, right? 2 tenths, THS, and 5 hundredths. So this will be 3.25. So coming to the next question, next bit, 1 hundredths are there, 0 tenths, and 2 ones. So this will be 102. And 6 tenths, so 0.6, 3 hundredths, 0.03, and no thousand. So we will not write that one. If you write also, there is no problem because राइट साइड में कितने भी जीरो अगर हम लोग लगाते हैं तो सेम वैल्यू होता है. सो 102.63. Now, yes, now we are moving towards the C bit. Hundreds 0 है तो उसको skip कर लेंगे. Tens is 3 and ones is 0. So this is 30. 30.0 tens.
30.
इसको डायरेक्ट भी रीड करोगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा. देखो, वंस के बाद में यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाना है. सो 30.025. यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो, देयर इज नो इश्यू. 30 प्लस 0.02 प्लस 0.005 and this is equals to 30.025. Okay, so now D bit 211, right? 211 and tenths is 9, no hundreds, and 1000. So 211.902. ठीक है? Right. Now the last bit, no hundreds, so we'll start with tens. This is 12. Okay, 12.241. Right, 12.241. This is the final answer. Now we are moving towards question number 3. Write the following decimals in the place value table. So place value table एक blank बना लिए सभी bits के लिए. Let us start with the first question. There is no hundred, no tens, no ones. So we can put either 0 or we can leave it like a blank also, no problem. Now this is tenths, okay, 2, and hundreds इसमें 9 है, and there is no thousand, so we can put 0. So now coming to the next number.
0.290.
2.08. So 0, 0, 2, 0, 8, 0. ठीक है, ये जो मैं अंडर अभी जो लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज फॉर डेसिमल. ठीक है, राइट. सो 19.60. हाँ नहीं, ये वाला नहीं है, एक मिनट. दिस वन. अभी जो मैं लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ वो डेसिमल के लिए. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ 19.60. सो यहाँ पे टेंस 1 है और वंस 9 है. सो देर इज नो हंड्रेड्स. नाउ टेंस इज 6 and hundreds is 0. If you write in this way, this much also, that is correct. अगर blank को 0 लिख रहे हो तो भी ठीक है. Both are acceptable. Now this is 148, 100, 4 tenths, 8 ones, 3 tenths and 2 hundredths. इसको 0 डाल दो. Last 200.812. So 100 is 2 and tens and ones are 0 and tens is 8 and hundreds is 1 and the last thousands is 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now
Yes,
we
sir.
are moving towards question number 4. Write each of the following as decimals. So we'll take it as first question. So यहाँ पे देखो ये 29 हो गया and this is 4 tenths and 1 hundredths. ठीक है, 4 tenths and 1 hundredth. So 29.41.
0.41.
Next question, 137 plus 500. So यहाँ पे कोई tenths टर्म नहीं है तो 0 डालेंगे उसकी जगह पे.
137.05.
Right, 137.05. Now we'll move toward the next question. This one. So tenth से start हुआ है. There is no one, there is no tenths. So 0 point से हम लोग start करेंगे. 0.764. Right. Now the next one, this one, 23.2. यहाँ पे देखो ध्यान से, there is no hundredths term is there. So we'll put 0. ठीक है, 06. Now the last one, 725 point, there is no tenths. So we'll put 0. So क्या हो जाएगा नंबर?
09.
Yes, 0.09. 725.09. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 5. Write each of the following decimals in words. So this is very easy. अभी इसको कैसे रीड करोगे? फर्स्ट वाले को कोई रीड करके बताओ.
0.03.
राइट, वही लिखना है, वही स्पेलिंग में लिखना है. 0.03. देखो फर्स्ट आंसर हो गया. नाउ द सेकेंड वन,
1.20.
yes, 1.20. Third one,
108.56.
yes, 108.56. Next one,
10.07.
very good, 10.07. Next one,
0.032.
right,
0.032.
0.032. Last,
5.008.
right,
5.008.
5.008. So this is fifth question. Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 6. Between which two numbers in tens place on the number line does each of the given number lie? तो हम लोग को ये वाला नंबर देखना है. अगर ये 0 होगा तो 0 1 के बीच में होगा. अगर ये 4 है तो 4 और 5 के बीच में होगा. ठीक है, मतलब 0.0, 0.1 फर्स्ट वाला. ठीक है, 0.00 ही होता है and 0.1 in tens place. Next one, it lies between 0.4 and 0.5 in tens place. Next one, 0.1 and 0.2 in tenth place. Next one, ये वाला नंबर देखना है हम लोग को, टेंथ प्लेस का नंबर देखना है. सो ये जो नंबर है इसके बाद का नंबर बोलना है दोनों. So the next number 0.66 lies between 0.6 and 0.7 in tens place. Next 0.92. 0.92 के बाद जो नंबर आएगा 10th प्लेस में वो होगा 1.0. ठीक है. सो 0.92 lies between 0.9 and 1.0 in 10th place. Last one, 0.57 lies between
0.5 and 0.6 in 10th place.
right 0.5 and 0.6 in 10th place. So this question is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes,
now
sir.
now we are moving toward the next question, question number 7. Write as fraction in lowest term. तो हम लोग ये मैं ऑलरेडी बताया था, एक बार और रिकैप्चुलेट कर रहा हूं मैं. सपोज 2.5 को हम लोग को रिप्रेजेंट करना है फ्रैक्शन में, तो हाउ मेनी डेसिमल प्लेस हियर?
1.
1. तो
1.
डेसिमल पॉइंट को छोड़ देना है और नीचे 0 लिखना है 1 के साथ में, दैट इज 10. ओके. अभी एक और एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं, 3.25. सो हाउ मेनी डेसिमल प्लेसेस वी हैव?
2.
2 decimal.
2 decimal place. So you have to write in the denominator 20
100.
with 1, right? 1 के राइट साइड में 2 zeros लिखना है. अगर 1 place decimal है तो divided by 10, by removing, you have to remove the decimal. If 2 place, then you have to divide it by 100. If 3 place, you have to divide it by 1000. ठीक है. चलो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. 0.60. How many place decimal?
2.
2. So by which number we have to divide?
100.
100. तो इसको हम लोग
500.
60 by 100 लिखेंगे. सो ये 20 into 3 होता है और ये 20 into 5, दोनों को 20 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 3 by 5. इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. देखो 0 0 कैंसिल कर लो. नाउ 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. सो 3 by 5. ओके. सो ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट नंबर, हाउ मेनी डेसिमल प्लेस?
2.
2. by which number we have to divide?
100.
100. so 5 upon 100. ठीक है. सो इसको 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 5 1s are 5 and 5 20 sir 100. okay. so this will be 1 and this will be 20. so 1 by 20 simplest form में. next number 0.75. how many decimal place?
2.
so
Two
by which
decimal
number we
place.
have to divide?
100.
100. 75 by 100. दोनों को 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ठीक है. सो 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा देखो.
3 by 4.
3 by 4.
यस 3 by
4.
4. okay. right. so now we are moving toward the next question. how many decimal place?
2 decimal
2. by
places.
which number we have to divide?
100.
100. right. अब ध्यान से देखो, दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. so 18 by 2,
9 by
9.
50.
yes 9 by 50.
50.
next question, how many decimal place?
2.
by which number we have to divide?
100.
100.
100.
so 20 और 100 को हम लोग, सॉरी 25 और 100 को हम लोग 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे.
1 by 4.
yes 1 by 4. last, second last, how many decimal place?
3.
by which
Three
number we have to
decimal
divide?
1000.
1000.
1000.
right. तो सबसे पहले 25 से डिवाइड करते हैं. 5 40. 5 by 40 फिर से सिंप्लीफाई होगा. दोनों 5 से कट रहे हैं. यस दोनों देखो, दोनों 5 1 by 8, दोनों 5 से
1
डिवाइड
by
हो रहा है.
8.
5 1s are 5 और 5 8s are 40. right. now the last question, 066. how many decimal place?
3.
so we have to divide it by
1000.
1000. ठीक है.
1000.
सो अब दोनों को हम लोग 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 33 500. so this is the final answer. okay, so this is the last question of this exercise. now we are moving toward the next topic, like and unlike decimals. so decimals having the same number of decimal place. अगर decimal place दोनों same रहेगा उसको like decimals बोलते हैं. ठीक है. see these examples. here 2 decimal place, here also 2 decimal place. so same number का decimal place है, so ये दोनों को like decimals बोलेंगे, right? as both have 2 decimal places. if they do not have the same number of decimal places, unlike fractions. see this example. इसमें 1 है, इसमें 2 है और इसमें 3 प्लेस है, ठीक है. सो एज दे हैव डिफरेंट डेसिमल प्लेसेस. क्लियर. अब हम लोग
Yes, sir.
कंपेयरिंग डेसिमल्स कैसे करते हैं वो देखेंगे. मेथड अच्छे से समझो. फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू कंपेयर द होल पार्ट. पहले होल पार्ट को कंपेयर करते हैं. अगर जिस डेसिमल नंबर का होल पार्ट बड़ा है तो वो डेसिमल नंबर बड़ा होगा, ठीक है. आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल आल्सो. सपोज 3.4 और 2.3. सो दोनों का होल पार्ट डिफरेंट है.
Yes, sir.
सो वी विल चेक 3 and 2. 3 और 2 में कौन सा बड़ा है?
3.
3. तो ये डेसिमल नंबर बड़ा हो जाएगा. दिस एग्जांपल इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now step 2. If whole part is same, अगर whole part same है तो फिर हम लोग 10th part में जाएंगे. If the whole number parts are equal, then compare the 10th digits. The decimal number having greater 10th digit is greater. I am giving one example. देखो 3.8 and 3.5. See, whole part are same both. 3. So we will compare the decimal part. 8, 5. कौन सा बड़ा है?
8.
Yes.
3.8.
So 3.8 will be greater. Step 3. If 10th part is also same, whole part also same, 10th part also same. So we will compare the hundredths part. So जिस decimal का 100th part बड़ा होगा वो decimal number बड़ा होगा. So एक example देख लो इसमें भी. 3.45 and 3.48. See, first whole part are same, then 10th part में गया, 10th part भी same है. अब हम लोग चेक करेंगे hundredths parts में. So 5 और 8 में कौन सा बड़ा है?
8.
8. So 3.45 is less than 3.48. Right? If hundredths digits are also equal, then thousandth digits. ऐसे हम लोग अब चलता रहेगा. If hundredths digits are also equal, then compare the digits at the thousands place. Okay. So we'll see few examples. Chalo. In each of the following pairs of decimal numbers, state which number is greater. ठीक है. 3 क्वेश्चन है. तीनों क्वेश्चन में हम लोग को चेक करना है कि कौन सा बड़ा है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है क्योंकि होल नंबर अलग अलग है. देखो एक का होल नंबर पार्ट है 539 और दूसरे नंबर का होल पार्ट है 97. So which whole number part is more?
539.
Yes, 539. So whole number part of 539.2 is 539 and that of 97.654 is 97. And since 539 is greater than 97, so this decimal number is greater than this one. First question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see the second one. Second में whole part are same. Okay. In both the decimals, whole number part is same. So we will compare the digits at the 10th place. So 10th place में एक में 2 है और एक में 3 है. Okay. 2, 3. Which one is greater?
3.
3. Right. So 3 is greater than 2. Therefore, this number is less than this number. Or we can say that 65.38 is greater than 65.23.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, we can also compare like 23 is greater than 38.
Yeah, you can compare like that also. You can compare like that also. For that, I will explain one more method. See, यहीं पर देखो. You convert it into. See carefully. You convert it into decimal. Sorry, fraction. So 2 plus decimal means you have to divide it by 100. Next number is 6538 divided by 100. Okay. Now see, you can compare these two numbers. This is 6523 and this is 6538. So 23 is lesser than 38. So 6523 is less than 6538. So the decimals also. So that method also you can apply. जो मैं जो मेथड बता रहा हूँ वो 1 by 1 स्टेप है. ठीक है. अभी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखेंगे तो समझ में आ जाएगा. देखो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल में सब सेम सेम दिख रहा है. In next example, in the two numbers, the whole number part are same, 238, and 10th part is also same, right? 5, and even 100th part is also same, 8. So now what is the different parts? Thousandth. Okay?
Thousands.
Thousands parts is one in 1 7 and other is 9.
Nine.
See, only 7 and 9 are different. All rest all are same. So 9 is greater than 7. Since
sir.
9 is greater than 7 or 7 is less than 9, so this number is greater than this the first number, or we can say that the first number is less than the second number. Any doubt in this example?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
we'll see. This is textbook example which is greater. So let us start with the first one. In first bit, what is the whole of first number? This one, 1. And what is the whole of second number?
0.
0. So we can compare the whole part only in the first bit, right? The whole part of 1 is greater than that of 0.99. So 1 is greater than 0.99. And in the second one, whole part are same, see, and even 10th part is same, even 100th part is also same. इसके बाद इसमें कोई नंबर नहीं है, that means we will take it as a 0. ठीक है, अब 0 और 3 में हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे, राइट? इसका जो 1000 प्लेस में जो 3 है, that is greater than the 1000 place of this, that is 0. So therefore 1.093 is greater than 1.09. Nothing is written means that is 0. Okay. Next exercise 8.3. So this is the last section of today's session. We'll complete each and every question. So let us start with the first question. Whole number part are same, 0 0. Now we will check the 10th part. 3 4. Which is greater?
0.4. 4.
Yes,
0.4.
4 is greater. So 0.4 is greater than 0.3.
0.3.
Next, see, whole part are same, 10th part are same. So we will compare the hundredths part. ठीक है, और hundredths parts में 7 जो है वो 2 से बड़ा है. So therefore 0.07 is greater than 0.02. Right.
0.02.
Now this is very easy because whole part is 3 in the first one and 0 in the second one. So 3 is greater than 0.
0.8.
Yes, sir. 3
Right.
is greater than 0.
3 is greater than 0.8. Now in the next one, the whole part are same. 1 minute. Next, whole part are same, and then we will check the 10th part. 10th part are different. So जो number बड़ा है वो उसका value बड़ा होगा. So 5 is greater than 0. That
Yes,
means
sir.
0.5 is greater than
0.05.
yes. Now coming to the next question. The whole part are same. 10th part is also same. Now here no 100 part is there. So we will write 0. Now compare these two. So 3 is greater than 0. Right? So both the numbers have same parts up to 10th place. Right? And the 100 place of 1.23 is greater than 1.20.
1.20.
Right. So therefore 1.23 is greater than 1.20. Right. Now coming to the next question. Whole part are same, but 10th part are different. So we'll compare the 10th part. So 1 is greater than 0. Right.
Yes, sir.
So whole part are same, but 10th part of 0.19 is greater than that of 0.09.
9.
So 0.19 is greater than 0.099, or we can write reverse also. Ki 0.099 is less than 0.19. Okay, right. So now coming to G bit, the whole part are same, 10th part is also same, and here there is no 100 part. So we can write 0. Now we'll compare the 1000 part also, hundreds parts also.
Sir,
They are also same.
Both are equal.
Right.
Both are equal.
That means both are
Equal. So,
here.
equal.
1.5 have no digits at hundreds place, so it represents that the digit is 0. That I already told. So which is equal to the digits at 100 place of 1.50. So both are equal. Next, H. See, in H, whole part are same, 10th part is also same. So we will compare the 100th part because they are different, right? So both the numbers have the same parts up to 10th place. So 100th place 1.490 is greater than that of 1.431. So therefore 1.431 is less than 1.490. Okay. So now only 2 bits left, I and J. चलो I पे आ जाते हैं. 3.3 or 3.300. So whole part are same, 10th part also same. There is no 100 part, there is no 1000 plus part. So we will write 00. So दोनों equal हो गया, right? Here both
Both are
numbers have
equal.
same parts up to the 10th place, but there are no digits at 100 place and 1000 place of 3.3. So it represents that after 3.3 two zeros are there, we can add. Okay, so therefore both these decimal numbers are equal. Okay, any doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, next one is very easy. 5.64 or 5.603 whole part are same, 10th part is also same. Now we have to check the 100 part because they are different. Okay, so 5.64 mein 100th part is greater, so 5.64 is greater than 5.603. So this is the last question, and the second question jo hai gives 5 similar examples that you can do by yourself. So now we are moving toward assignment questions, and there are only 4 questions are there. I will share through Google Classroom. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.